Alright, so guys, I opened this this Speedway toy truck, and well, it does come with batteries because it works. And I tried doing a video on the tablet that I was trying to upload, the same video I did earlier with the truck, but it would always fail to upload. So I'm doing it on my phone, so because it might upload better. But you want to see the truck? This is the truck, nice and shiny and cool. Now time to turn the light off. You want to see what this thing does, guys? It'll let you have the ability to turn on the lights.
Yep, and it makes noise.
Yeah, it makes noise too. First, the engine noise. And then there's the honk noise. And that would be all for today, guys. For the review of this truck. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below and favorite. And that would be all. See you later. Bye.